There are people in this world that are way dumber than you, yet they are way richer than you. And that statement alone should piss you off. In fact, I talk to a lot of my friends and I have that thought. I'm friends with brilliant people. And even though to me they seem way smarter than me, I make a lot more money than a lot of them. And it's because in America, at least, you aren't rewarded for your intelligence. You are rewarded by being early and by providing value to the marketplace. And that's actually what I'm going to be diving deep into today, because I believe a lot of you guys are, doing the right things to try to make a lot of money for yourself, but you're working a lot harder than you should be. And, I'm going to fix that today. So going back to the intelligence thing, I was actually a D student in high school, like barely graduated. And then when I graduated, I was the only college that I could get into was this community college called Georgia Gwinnett College. And within a month or two of being there, they put me on academic probation because I literally started failing every single class. So not book smart even by the slightest, but I still became a millionaire before the age of 30. I actually had $1 million liquid in my account at the age of 21. Now, if this hasn't hit your head yet, if this hasn't made sense in your brain yet, people who get rich, they're not the smartest people. Okay. The people who get rich, again, are the earliest people. And I've seen extremely average people get rich by being early, and extremely smart people stay broke by being late. I mean, let's think about all of the biggest opportunities that have happened in the past decade. You have Bitcoin in 2015. I think Bitcoin in 2015 was like $10,000, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more. But everyone that bought Bitcoin during that time, even earlier, is a multi-millionaire today. If they held on to it, or even if they sold a couple of years ago, they still made millions of dollars. Shopify dropshipping in 2018, right? Everyone that got into dropshipping back in 2017, 18, even a little earlier, made a lot of money. That's actually how I got started. I graduated high school in 2017 and immediately went into entrepreneurship. Shopify was the first thing that I did. And that's where I made my first six figures after I dropped out of college within the month of me being there. Now, TikTok, when it came out in 2020, everyone that got into the platform early became viral superstars, viral influencers, or they found some type of way to make money on that platform, not because they were geniuses, because they were early. And this has been what Amazon has been doing for people the past couple of years, right? The past couple of years, Amazon has been making a lot of people a lot of money, but now it's a lot more saturated than what it used to be back then in 2021, which is also when I transitioned from Shopify to Amazon and made a lot of money. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is William Rivera. I've made over $40 million on the internet, and I'm the go-to guy when it comes to making money online in the easiest and laziest way possible, because I'm a lazy person myself. In fact, celebrities like Shaquille O'Neal, DC Young Fly, Tobias Harris, NBA player from on the 76ers, have DM'd me and reached out because they know that I make money online, and they also want to make money online, even though they're already rich, but they want to make money online in the easiest way possible. Now, they're not the only people. In fact, I've also been in communication with David Benavidez, world champion boxer, RIP Young Scooter, Ben Don, Telly Swift, Norris Cole, Miami Heat player, and many, many other people. I've been on Yahoo Finance and even the Small Business Show with James Fitzpatrick, and even some of the biggest podcasts out there, like $1 Million Worth of Game with Wallow and Gilly, The Caleb Johnson Show, Social Proof Podcast with David Shands, Earn Your Leisure, and so on. You guys get the point. And the reason why I've been invited to all of those platforms is not just because I've been able to make a lot of money, but I've been able to help other people make a lot of money. And recently it's been on a platform that no one is talking about. There's no videos really on YouTube about it. There's nobody preaching about it on Instagram or any of these other platforms. And it's because they simply don't know that it's a lucrative opportunity right now. In fact, Laura, she got the same information that I'm about to give you right now in this YouTube video. She literally went from being on welfare to purchasing a home. Okay. Zero money, negative money, to purchasing a home. And if you're wondering what that is that she's holding in her hand, that's actually the award that I give to every single person that consumes my content and ends up making over six figures with the knowledge. And again, Laura isn't the only one that got that award. My boy Cameron right here got into a very bad car accident. Doctors told him that he'd never be able to walk again. And instead of, grieving and being negative through that whole situation, he decided to learn how to make money online. And he went on to make over six figures online as well. Same with Eric, who was working over 40 hours a week. And instead of complaining that he didn't have time, he made the time. And now he makes over six figures from home, was able to quit his job. And they're in great company, by the way, but I'm not going to get into all of these stories. So back to my point. If you've tried to make money on the internet before and you couldn't make it work, it's not because you're not intelligent. It's not because you're missing motivation. I mean, hey, you're here right now watching this YouTube video. You literally could be watching Netflix, could be watching Hulu. You could be doing a lot of other things, but you're on here on YouTube because you are motivated. So you're not missing that. What you're missing is three key things. Okay. You're missing, number one, the right vehicle. Number two, at the right time. And number three, with the right system. Okay. And you have to have all three of these things. Okay. So let me repeat that: the right vehicle, the right time, and the right system. And if you're missing one of them, whatever you're doing is not going to work. Okay. Like maybe you were in the right vehicle, but you did it at the wrong time. Or maybe you did something at the right time, but you had the wrong system. Okay. You have to have all three. And by the end of this video, I'm going to give you all three. And I'm going to share with you guys the quiet gold rush that's happening right now that looks exactly like Bitcoin did in 2015 and what Shopify and Amazon looked like back in 2018. And the few who moved on those things early, you already know what they did, right? They made a lot of money while everyone else watched. And even though you missed those waves, even though you missed Bitcoin, you missed Shopify, you missed Amazon, you're early again, but probably not for long. If I'm being honest, this might be like a 6-month thing, but you may only need 6 months to be able to get really, really ahead in life and really create some wealth for you and your family. So every one of these big waves, I know I've been banging this on your head, but I really need you to understand this. Every one of these big waves, Bitcoin, Shopify, Amazon, they made average people rich. Even below average people, simply because they were early. While smarter, hardworking people who came late, I'm talking executives, serial entrepreneurs, like very smart people, 4.0 GPA type individuals, it made them struggle. They saw no success simply because they were late. And the number one reason people stay stuck is because they keep choosing late stage opportunities. And what you're looking at right now is not just a bar graph. I mean, it is a bar graph, but this graph right here could quite possibly change your life if you actually pay attention to what it is saying. You can see right here that Amazon has over 10 million sellers on the platform. Makes sense why people struggle to sell on Amazon. Shopify has over 4 million sellers on the platform. Makes sense why there's not a bunch of Shopify millionaires running around right now. TikTok Shop has a couple million. Makes sense why TikTok Shop is easier than Shopify and Amazon, but still very competitive. Walmart, yes, Walmart has less than 150,000 sellers on the platform right now. And yes, you can sell on Walmart.com. It's much bigger than you think it is. Right now, Walmart has over 255 million customers shopping online every single week. And its e-commerce revenue grew over 45% in the past 12 months alone. 45% growth just on the online marketplace, okay? And I'm not throwing shade on Amazon. Amazon, believe me, they're still the king of online shopping, but Walmart is coming for its neck, okay? And while Amazon remains the dominant leader in US online sales, Walmart is growing rapidly, all right? And people still don't know about it. And because of Walmart's growth, it's creating huge opportunity for people like you and me, people who missed on the Shopify wave, missed on the Amazon wave, to make a lot of money on the internet. Okay. And this is coming from someone that was early to Shopify. I was early to Shopify. I was early to Amazon. And if there's anything I'm good at, it's being able to identify trends before they become a trend. And this is it, guys. Like I don't see anything right now that is a bigger opportunity than what I'm talking about in this YouTube video. And if you sense my excitement behind the screen, it's because I know that I'm at least about to make a lot of money from this. And my students are, and hopefully you are as well, because you take action after you watch this video. Right now, Walmart has less competition than every other business model out there. They have lower fees than every other online business model out there. And they are growing faster than every other business model out there. In fact, this is one of my students that DM'd me. He said, pulling more numbers than Amazon some days. This is a 7-figure Amazon seller. He did $1.5 million so far this year on Amazon, and the year's not even over yet. And he's doing about $3,000 a day on his Walmart store. Okay. And again, it's because of these numbers that you see on the screen. I mean, it's insane to even look at and see the difference between the amount of sellers on Amazon, Shopify, and TikTok and the amount of sellers on Walmart. All right. Like literally, if you multiplied the Walmart sellers by 10, it's still almost, it's still like way less than Amazon and Shopify, and barely more than what TikTok has. And that's with the 10x growth. And again, I'm seeing people win on Walmart and on Amazon at the same time, but I'm seeing Walmart success a lot more now than Amazon, simply because Amazon has gotten harder. And if you're wondering what we sell on these platforms, I don't sell products from China. I don't create my own brand. I don't create my own product. I sell products from big name brands like Sony, Logitech, Fiji, Red Bull, because people already know, like, and trust those brands. People are already searching for those brands on Amazon and on Walmart. And literally, because we are in a day and age where we have the best technology, now you don't have to do hours and hours of product research. There's literally apps on your phone you can download that use AI to find you profitable deals that you can sell. Like, it's as simple as downloading an app on your phone and knowing that there's a 50% off sale on Nike, and knowing that that same Nike product on Walmart sells for double the price because Walmart isn't doing a 50% off sale. Those are the types of opportunities that we use to make 6, 7, sometimes even 8 figures a year on these platforms. So the new way of selling online is very different than the old way. And it's made it a lot easier for the average person to make money on the internet, especially now that Walmart just came out and there's barely any competition. So just to summarize, AI finds the profitable items. You buy inventory that's already proven to sell. You don't have to run ads. You don't have to post content. And there's very low competition. Again, less than 150,000 sellers on Walmart's marketplace with over 200 million buyers. And we never touch the product or ship the product. We simply buy it from the comfort of our home with our phone or our laptop. And Walmart holds the product in their warehouse. And then every time we get an order, they ship it directly to our customer. All right. And the reason why Walmart is easier than every other business model right now is a lot of reasons. So again, you don't have to run ads. You don't have to post content. You don't have to worry about branding. You're not buying products from China, which is a pain in the ass. And you're selling products from brands that people already trust. Your Walmart is sending you customers. And what you don't sell on Walmart, you can get rid of on Amazon or eBay, these other online marketplaces. So you don't really run the risk of losing money. Now, again, you might be watching this and you're like, Will, I've tried to make money online before. It just wasn't for me. I'm here to tell you that you weren't the problem. Your timing was. Okay. You tried Shopify, didn't make money, you were late. If you tried to do Amazon and you didn't make money, it's because you were late. Same thing with TikTok Shop. Same thing with private label. Walmart is the first time that you're early, and you may not be early for much longer. But what I will tell you is, this is the person that you're seeing on the screen is someone that didn't know anything about making money online. He literally tried Amazon, failed, thought that he was going to just throw in the towel for e-commerce, decided to give Walmart a try, did over $103,000 the last 30 days. Okay. I have a blueprint that's literally responsible for over $30 million in client results. And I'm not here to sell you anything, but I'm here to invite you to a training that I'm going to be hosting very soon that's live, where I'm going to be showing you exactly how I've helped thousands of people that didn't know anything about making money online. Some of them had tried e-commerce before, and how I got them to go from zero to making over 6 figures a year online. Okay. And in that training, I'm going to dive into all of this because I only dove into a tenth of it, and we're already 16 minutes in on YouTube. But in the training, which you can register for in the link in the description, I'm going to dive into all the intricacies of the Walmart business, how you guys can get started. And you're going to learn step by step, again, how I'm helping people make money doing this and how you can find opportunities. For example, like this, where is it at? Like this is a product, Axe body spray, popular brand, selling for about $1.65 wholesale price from distributor, but selling for $8 on Amazon, $8 on Walmart. I'm going to show you how to find opportunities like that on the training that I'm hosting very soon. And in the meantime, I'm going to include in the description a guide that you can download. Okay. So it's going to be a Walmart selling guide step by step. I'm going to include that in the description. It's going to show you everything you need to know to become a Walmart seller, how to get approved to sell certain brands, how to list products. It's very in-depth. My team put it together. So if you want to go ahead and grab that, I'm going to throw it in the description as well. But if you want the in-depth sauce, register for that training. The link is in the description. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you got some value out of it. And if you did, go ahead and bang that like button and make sure to comment real one if you made it to the end of this video. Okay, because we're 17 minutes deep in. We're almost at 18 minutes. So if you're still watching this video, you're a real one. So go ahead and comment real one so I know that you are, and I know that you made it this far. And again, guys, I appreciate you for watching this video. I don't post on YouTube much, but I'm trying to get back consistent, and seeing those likes, seeing those comments is what motivates me to keep posting on this platform. So if you do that for me, that would be great. And I'll see you on the next YouTube video. And for some of you guys, I'll see you on the live training. Peace out.